I'm Emily and today we're chatting about how to make your fake tan last longer. It's all about pre-tan, choosing the right tan and the right aftercare. So first we're going to talk about pre-tan. I would start the day with shaving and exfoliating at least 8 hours before you apply your fake tan, just to get rid of any dead skin. What's great about this body scrub is it's a great exfoliator and it's also really high in vitamin E. After you've got out the shower, you don't want to use anything too rich or heavy. The reason for this is that tan won't absorb properly into the skin. So you're going to moisturise everywhere and in particular concentrate on the areas that get dry. I like to do this on my elbows, my knees and my hands. They're the areas that tend to go a bit patchy on me with fake tan, so this will really help prevent that. Now for the most important part, choosing your fake tan. This is all completely based on your skin type, so there's definitely something for everyone. I would suggest if you have particularly dry skin to use a really rich lotion. This has got so many properties in to really absorb into the skin and will also hydrate you at the same time. If you have particularly oily skin, I would opt for something like a mousse or a spray, anything that's lighter in consistency. Whichever tan you've decided to choose, I would always recommend using a mitt for a streak-free application. Now for aftercare, which is the most important bit to keep that tan as long as possible. I would recommend replacing your normal moisturiser with this. It's got a slight gradual tint in it, so it'll really keep that tan looking fresh for longer. After I've applied my fake tan, I like to wash my hands afterwards, so these are really good just to go over the hand and get an even coverage. When you're applying the wipes, make sure to use them in a circular motion to avoid any streaks. And the final step, which will really help enhance your tan, is this HIGlow body cream. This looks really beautiful on the legs, the arm and the décolletage and gives you that really high shine. I would apply this quite lightly with my hands for quite a subtle glow, but it's completely up to you, but make sure you wash your hands afterwards. So remember, if you want your tan to last longer, it's all about pre-care, choosing the right tan and aftercare.